In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to connect Printify to Shopify. So first things first, head over to the apps section. Then go ahead and go to recommended apps, then Shopify App Store. Once you get there, go ahead and go to the search bar to search Printify. Click on that. Now what we need to do is click on Add App. Now what we need to do is click on Install App. We must click on Continue with Google. Now choose your Google, then hit Confirm. In this section, just wait a while. Okay. In this section, what describes you the best, you can choose whatever you want. So I choose this one. What is your main objective? So start my first. What would you like to help with? For example, market and advising. Okay, let's just choose a Facebook or Instagram, or we can choose other. Now, what we need to do is click on the Open Full Site. Now, in this section, you will see the interface of Printify. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.